Hi, Olivia from Clinked.com. In this video today, I'm going to break down for you what actually is a virtual data room and how could it benefit your company. So whilst there are lots of similarities between a client portal and a virtual data room, there are also differences between them. A virtual data room is made up of some specific characteristics. So let's dive in. So a virtual data room is a private online space for users to work collaboratively in a controlled environment. This is based on the practice that confidential work in person would see employees physically locking themselves in a room and only them working on that project could enter. This idea has been taken and replicated online. With some providing bank-grade security, virtual data rooms are an online safe for confidential data and projects and a secure way to collaborate with clients. Data rooms have a great use in certain industries, such as legal and financial services, and are useful for more specific tasks that email or file storage services alone would struggle to compete with. So let's cover some defining aspects of these secure online spaces. And as I mentioned earlier, virtual data rooms need to offer enhanced security for their users. As people increasingly are working from home, this can be a potential weak point in businesses' security, as cybersecurity risks from working from home are heightened. With a virtual data room, you can set a level of security to your individual members, which extends to creating guest access and granting temporary permissions to your secure room. This is particularly useful when external stakeholders need to contribute to a specific part of a project. And with that in mind, security is then a defining aspect of a virtual data room, and this is one of the main reasons customers opt for it. The next defining feature of a virtual data room is that they have accessibility from anywhere. They're hosted in the cloud, and therefore able to be accessed from anywhere, which is incredibly useful for clients around the world and for those unable to access an in-person office. And with the rise of remote working and globalization, the need to access work online wherever clients and employees may be increases too. Companies now need to be adaptable to fit in with the new normal, and easy accessibility in one virtual place makes a virtual data room increasingly indispensable. As well as the features I've mentioned, one of the virtual data room's greatest strengths is its file sharing capabilities. Having a centrally accessible way to view and interact with your files is essential for businesses as they become more reliant on a cloud-based service. So the benefit of using a virtual data room is that it's a cost-effective way to keep things private. There are many ways to store work with files and clients online. However, safety and security may be at risk with cheaper options. Ensuring that your working environment is in a safe and encrypted product like a virtual data room is certainly less expensive than a data breach further down the line. Hopefully this video has given you some insights into what a virtual data room is and the defining aspects of what actually makes up a virtual data room and why companies choose to go with them to help them with their day-to-day running of their businesses. Thanks for watching, and as usual, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more knowledge shares.